And you saw what happened to President Kufour. Up to today, he has started it. He actually sent meals to his grave. You see? And when Muhammad came...
That is a serious talk.
Yes, he sent meals to his grave.
What do you mean by that?
Since he wanted the wife to stand, and when they went to Sunyania, the wife didn't win. Since then, he has never stopped condemning meals.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Baba Xposed GH FM Ben Bruce. It's a bombshell. Where they bombshell. I will tell me I make a bombshell. I make a bombshell. Subscribe, share. And to plan on Sakabi. Adabuga. RAwlings, not a personal bodyguard. We're releasing information via me who ya be yam share me. I say Jerry RAwlings or planning say obeku Kufour Sania Okun Yera Tamils Pachanyam na Meka a personal bodyguard of ex-president RAwlings, the honorable president RAwlings in Oka.
And you saw what happened to President Kufour. Up to today, he has started it. He actually sent meals to his grave. You see? And when Muhammad came...
That is a serious talk.
Yes, he sent meals to his grave.
What do you mean by that?
Since he wanted the wife to stand, and when they went to Sunyania, the wife didn't win. Since then, he has never stopped condemning meals. He insulted meals everywhere. Used the opportunity. The man was sick, and then he was doing his best for the country, and RAwlings was on him till he died. And during the condolence, you saw what he said. It was an omen for him to die. It was God sent that Mills died early. Otherwise, the party wouldn't have been what. How can somebody say something like that? A former head of state. That's why I say he sent him to the grave.
Should RAwlings have ever given you those ornaments, the gold, the diamond? Because he seemed to be very particular about that, even when you were in the broadcasting station. Would you have been so much against him and his family?
Actually, that was when he said we're going to prosper. I wasn't thinking about me as a person, but the whole country. Because during that time, some of these ideas they were giving us, Chachu, Atwaston, and the rest, they made us to believe that we have gold, we have diamond, we have bauxite, we have manganese, we have cocoa, and we have arable land. And it was only because of mismanagement. That is why we are where we are. And so if we manage these resources properly, then we will get a situation whereby it will be like here, whereby there will be a welfare state, and then the rich will also be there, pay taxes, and it will be channeled for like the private sector. And what that means is that there will be food, clothing, and shelter, not forgetting about education, which is vital for development, and health. You see, housing for the workers, not that he will give the workers money, but create conditions whereby people will not be coming here for jobs. You see, that is how I was thinking, but not individually. Because if you look at the country, it has been like that from day one. I didn't know about Kwame Nkrumah because I was very young. But much as some of the people, the head of states were trying to do the right thing, people around them are just jostling. It's happening even right now, as you can hear news. So if we have that mentality, we are not going forward. I'm not saying that here there's no corruption, but they create the structures whereby you cannot steal for 1 or 2 years. You'll be fished out. You see, in no way, for example, the institutions are there. So if you try to drivel them, you can do it for some time, but they will bring you out. And that is what I was thinking.
Yeah, but you know, in as much as you talk so profoundly about others, Rawlings is quite a prominent man who is being hailed all across the country by so many. I mean, you can agree and disagree with me that NDC will not probably come to power without the support of him. So why is it that with all the sort of atrocities he's committed, the things you allege that he's done, he still get the support?
Papa was it born in ODB? Was it born in ODB? Papa was it born in Kumnipa? Because you either kill or be killed. That is battle line. Yebeku and Nebeku. Now when no release information, I see you at Tamils. I actually only baby call and ayate. See, I didn't firm and it know who ye. Was it at a point in time? At Tamils, yes, say, say, or yes, say, and my JJ in a crack or contestant on in I plan a cow. Was you who yes with the Benjamin Kaya or Noka? Was you who yes was I at Tamils won a ya? Capacity like a better take. Because we are not Tamils year colonized sleeping giant. Party do not add in Kenya as a woman a binim. Okay, but to me, if Uka, the finest president Ghana has ever had, I would say, here are John Mills, Atta Mills, the finest. One no buy you will go straight to GRA, Cocatom, and Masamunya, Passasamno, what Pamu Kofua, Sabi no de Peri ye Eba Ghana. Project be a year Atta Mills here now or year what we call audit for money, audit, or yeah, audit who said, and then who man or no or the field buyer or editing to know yard. Atamus by when see there be an Canada a sea of alcohol. Well, who ye who said Atamus says, ultimate for corruption and for now our Ghana at heart. This revelation sounds very funny. Seniana Orca says, Sabi, Atamus he had to die and whatever. Me, I believe he was sick. I don't believe anybody killed him. But your ben no Oka. Oka so who you say? Kufour, ye kaina Tamils. Hey, JJ, only the one Tawatobia, Wakanwaka, or se Kufour nie, Atta yinie. I know the mere minim. Yasika be one sama. Kufour ko change ties. We change ties. And JJ Sikana shut ties him. Or to the same car. We change ties na buy no. Na JJ Sikano ahem. And to us say Atta yinia. Kufour. But these two gentlemen, I would say, J.A. Kufour, John Dom Yenuwe, John Ejekum Kufour, and John Atta Mills. These are what we call the finest presidents Ghana has ever had. They brought what we call a revolution to Ghana's what? Governance. Oka Atta Mills and America say, anti-corrupt person. Or ya pere. Nyami Emma 8 years now, minim say Ghana or the Ebekosi. J.A. Kufour time na banks omu chesi yesa mo maji loan. J.A. Kufour time na Ghana yehu flyovers. J.A. Kufour time yehu niyama kakraka na yehu bida. Up till now, even the NDC will say J.A. Kufour, the finest president we've ever had. It is JJ Eka maybe them nani nyadwen. But when you ye ne personal bodyguard that all can asem anyam na make bodyguard no ka mini hobi. Eno no sesa. It is on your tiano, Papa was starting Kasa. Na Kasa be on Kabiam de Baba. I high expose you to Famba Bruce. Subscribe, share. Minute 2 man, Saka be Manuesi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.